Hello, my name is Kai. In this tutorial, we are going to install Go. And at the end of this tutorial, I explain about GoPath briefly. First of all, we go to the website to download Go. Just type Golang, then click on the first link, Golang here. Then click on download Go. And here we can download the latest version of Go for different 64-bit operating systems here. And if you go down, we can download the different versions of Go for different 64-bit or 32-bit operating systems. I've already downloaded this installer, which is the latest version of Go for a 64-bit Windows system. And if you use 32-bit Windows system, just download this. Then if you don't know which system you're using, just go to control panel. Then click on system and security, then system. Then we can check the number of bit here. System type 64-bit for me. Then we minimize the window because we are going to use it later. And go to desktop. This is the installer I've just downloaded. Next we install Go, so click on the installer here. And click on next, 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 and install. Yes, the installation is started. The installation is finished, so click on finish. Next, we check if Go is installed or not with command prompt. Just go to the search box here, type cmd, and type Go version. Yes, Go is successfully installed. Close the cmd. Next, we make the workspace for Go projects. If we use the workspace we are going to make from now, we can completely separate every single project. Right click on the desktop here, a new folder, and name it Go Work. You can give it other name if you want. Next, we make a project in Go Work. Open the folder, and on the upper left here, click on the icon to make new folder and name it project 1. Then we can put more projects here, like project 2 and project 3, project 4, 5, whatever. Next, we open project 1. Then click on the icon and name it bin binary. Bin folder is for executable files of compiled Go programs. Next, we again click on the icon. Name it pkg, package. Package folder is for the files of compiled packages. Next, click on icon again. Then name it src source. Source folder is for source files. Next, we set Go path. We should set Go path to the project we are going to work for. So we are going to work for project 1 here. So we set the path of project 1 to Go path. So right click on the white space here, then choose copy. We've just copied the path to project 1 folder. Next, open the control panel again. Then advanced system settings here. Then environment variables. As we can see, there is already Go path, which is set by default. We change it to project 1 folder path, choose Go path and click on edit here. Then paste the path. Then click on OK, OK, and OK, and close the control panel. Next, we make a small Go program. I use a Visual Studio Code here. Open it, and file, open folder, and choose project 1 and select folder. Next, we make hello folder. Select source folder, a new folder, and name it hello. Then we make a Go file in hello folder. New file and name it hello Go. Actually, it's okay, the folder name and the file name are not the same. For simplicity, I gave the same name to both the folder and the file. Next, we write code to output hello world. Package main import fmt and func main fmt and print line. Then type hello world. Then save it and close the VS Code. Next, we run hello world program we've just made. So open source folder here, hello folder, and click on the white space here. Then type cmd and press enter. Then a command prompt opens. And next type go run. This command runs Go program. Next type the file name after this. So hello.go and press enter. Yeah, hello world is printed. Next, in this directory, we type go install without the file name. This command will compile the hello world program and make the executable file. Press enter. Yeah, the program is compiled. Close the command prompt. Then go to bin folder, project 1, bin. This is the executable file of hello world program. Next, we run it. Click on the white space here, then type cmd, press enter. Then type hello and press enter. Yep, hello world is printed. Next, we download a package. We can download packages in any directories, and you will download packages for projects many times, so you better know it. So type go get. This command go get is for downloading packages, but to download packages with the command go get, you need to install Git. Let's open the browser again. Then to the search box here, type git download. Then click on the first link here and click on Windows. Doing like this, we can download Git. And I've already downloaded and installed Git, so I just go back to the CMD. Then next, we type a package. github.com/lib/pq and press enter. This PQ package is the driver to use PostgreSQL database with Go. The download is finished and close the CMD. Next, we go to source folder. So project 1, source folder, and here the folder github.com is added. Then we go deeper, lib, and this is PQ package we've just downloaded. Next, we go to package folder. So project 1 and package folder here, and here Windows ARMD 64 folder is added. Then we go deeper, github.com, lib, and here this is the file of compiled PQ package. Just before we set the Go path to project 1, so the package PQ is stored under project 1. So if we set the Go path to project 2, here PQ package is stored under project 2. So make sure every time you do a project, you set the Go path to the project you work for. Otherwise, packages are stored to other place. It's kind of troublesome to change go path to the project you work for every single time. But I think this workspace structure is the simplest way to organize multiple projects. And with this workspace structure, we can completely separate every single project. So it's good to use it. This is the end of tutorial. Happy coding.